G'day everyone. Today I wanted to have a quick look at version 10.1.0 build 95 and onwards shaker doors and door profiles, just to give a new look at this one. In the materials advanced area we have the door options and we have the shaker door configurations. Now this area has been updated and revised. As a default starting package you have access to the Shaker V and the Shaker. These are all available for all customers. However, there are some extra ones now, but these are only available as a visual item. These can be purchased through your sales team, so if you get in contact with your sales member of your state, you can inquire about the cost and implementation of these ones, but then they can be machinable. At the moment, they are visual. So we're going to quickly just look at the shaker settings. So I'm going to turn my profile on for a start, and then I'm going to click on the door icon here to go to the settings. Now in the settings you can see this looks similar to what we used to have before, but these are all the controls over the shaker door control. In the profiles you have a more descriptive visual appearance of what's happening here, and we control the layer. This layer name here can be changed. It can be made into any layer name you want, and same with the depth as well. If I now change over to the Shaker V configuration and go into the edit here, I now get more controls in my profile because I need to be defining what my Shaker V is doing and my shaker. I'm going to come right out of that one, and we're going to have a quick look now at the edge profiles as well. So we could turn on our edge profiles and apply, say, a round edge. And once again, we can click on the picture to the right here and go into the settings. We can change the layer names, the offsets, the depths. So I'm just going to leave that like that, and we're going to apply this setting on our drawing. So in the background of the cabinet here we can now see that we have gained the Shaker V angled line and also a rounding to the outside of the door. If we come back here I could turn off the profile and turn that back on again, so then we get a square edge. Now very subtle change, but you'll notice the edge has squared up. We could even turn around and change this to just an ordinary shaker and go to a square profile. Now if we go back into the cabinet and have a quick look, we can see the machining that's going on. So you can see there is the shaker line, which is going to be cut at 7mm deep. Alright, thanks very much for listening.